Okay, so hello people. So today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 867, that is transpose matrix. And in this we are given a 2D integer matrix and we have to return the transpose of that matrix. Okay, and the transpose of the matrix, I guess everyone know that we have to convert rows into columns and columns into rows. Okay, so let's start with the question. Okay, firstly let's have a look at the example. Like in this example, 2 4 1 is firstly the row, but after the transpose it becomes the column. Okay, that like first row becomes the first column, second row becomes second column, and third row becomes third column. Okay, so it's pretty much easy. So firstly let's get the length of the number of rows, that is matrix dot length, and the length of each particular column equal to matrix 0 dot length. Okay, so after that let's create answer array, new end. So as we have to convert rows to columns and columns to rows, so what we have to do, we have to in the position of a row we have to write make the number of columns, and in the number of columns we have to make number of rows. Okay, so we are just interchanging it, otherwise we could have done row and column. Okay, so now let's have a for loop that for int I equal to 0, I less than row. Okay, let's do r only. Okay, r, yeah, and r plus plus. And similarly here what we'll be doing, that for int j equal to 0, oh, okay, c equal to 0, c less than call c plus plus. And what we'll be doing, we'll be basically setting that answer c r will be equal to matrix r c. Okay, and at the end let's just return the answer. Okay, now let's run it, and it gets accepted. Okay, so now let's submit it. And yeah, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so yeah, this was it for today. Thank you for watching.